first thing we have is, a charger. So when you plug into the phone, it's a fan. Eee! Ow. Owie. Mommy, Charlie bit me. What is this golf thing? How does this work? Oh, wait. This is the water, this is the sand. So we're gonna have to put it into that hole. So hole 1. I'm gonna start. Come on, don't roll. Ah! Ow! This is so hard. No. Okay, this hole is bad. Oh! Did you see that? It went in. It says magic, balancing bird, easily defies gravity. Okay, let's see. What? Are you seeing this? Let's see if it balances on a pencil. Dude, can you balance on a pencil? Ooh! Fly, eagle, ow! Yeah, you could go over here. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, leave a thumbs up. If you want to turn on that notification bell, you could do if you want, but you don't have to. Bye!